I'm Haspa with WTI.
And I am an Apple product lover. So I own the whole Apple environment, and this is not the exception. I have the iPhone 13 Pro, and I want to tell you everything I love about my phone. I love my iPhone 13 Pro because it feels like it was tailor-made for me. The design is both sleek and elegant, and it feels comfortably in my hand. And the A15 Bionic chip makes everything lightning fast, and it ensures a seamless experience every time for me. I love the colors, they're pretty vibrant, and watching videos and viewing photos has never looked this good. I love the camera. It is a standout feature for me. I use it for work. I need to have a camera for work, and the advanced triple camera setup captures stunning photos and videos, even in low light, and they look so professional. So I love that. And I also love the detailed close-ups. I definitely think this is a great camera for any occasion. The battery life is impressive too. So if you guys want to try it out, you want to have an elegant phone like this one, well, this is your chance to buy it. It is very affordable, and that is my point of view.